I'm a co-founder of Bishkek Smoke Initiative, Kyrgyzstan, Central Asia, that works for the clean air. It's very important because it's very affecting melting glaciers in Kyrgyzstan, but it's also spreading to the whole Central Asian region. So that's why the lack of water, it will be we can have a lot of conflicts because of lack of water. And EU countries gave us more than $60 million to support reduce of air pollution. We are top on the list in the winter time period, and this support was totally misused. It was made through European Bank of Development and also Asian Development Bank, who European country also shareholders. And for 2 years, we're struggling a lot of, during 2 years, they didn't give us access to information. We do not have anything transparent. It was 2 times they arrested me, and I have danger of threat every minute when I am in Kyrgyzstan. And it was climate funding by EU with the high standards, but we do not understand at all why international financial institutions like European Bank of Reconstruction and Development do not have any accountability and responsibility, because they just keeping silence. Even when we apply for the official complaints, they just going to close it. And that's why we really ask you to create and support us with questions for the IFIs, that we do not ask so much. We just asking that agreement with our countries keeping, and bank should be responsible for these positions, because it is climate funding and it's for better future for all of us. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you.